Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sam and today I've got a very exciting unboxing for you. I just picked this up from the Louis Vuitton store, as you can see. So today the new men's fall winter 23 collection came out with a guy that owns Kids Super, which is a really cool brand. Guest creative directed this collection, so it's just the one collection that he's done, and when I saw this stuff I was like, oh, that is a bit of me. So when it came out this morning I saw this one bag and it was not available online. I looked at the stores and there was just one store that had it, and I called up customer services and they said, I think there's just one there, it's probably the one on display. You'd have to go down there now. So I was on the treadmill when I was looking at my phone. I got off that treadmill, rushed back here, had a shower, got over to the other side of London in like half an hour, and I saw the bag. I'm going to carry on my story whilst I open this. So obviously it comes in this big box. Obviously had the blue ribbon on it. I'm not going to put that back on there. And had the receipt. So anyway, I went into the store and they had the one on the side. I was like, oh, can I please have a look at that? And as soon as I started looking at it, everyone was like looking at it and asking about it. And in the time that I was deliberating between this bag and another one, so many people had messaged the guy being like, oh, have you got this in the store, blah, 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 like other sales associates at other stores. And yeah, it just made me want it even more. So I got it. So I've been looking for a bag like this for a while, but there was nothing that really stood out to me. When I buy Louis, I like it to be classic because I want to have it in 10 years and still enjoy and use it. But I didn't want something boring, and I feel like all the stuff that was just like in the like permanent collection was just really boring. And when I saw this, I was like, that is it. It's classic, but it's so interesting, and not many people are gonna have it. So here we have it in the dust bag, Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna reveal. Here it is. This is my new Speedy Keepall Bandolier 25 blown up. So it's supposed to look like a blown up beach toy, and indeed that is what it looks like. I'm just obsessed. How gorgeous is that? Has the little luggage tag here. This leather is just gorgeous. And we obviously have the monogram and then gold hardware, big chunky zip at the top, and two D-rings here for this strap. So nice, beautiful tan leather strap, which I will attach now. So here we are with the straps on. And it's actually moulded, like it's hard, like this looks like it would be a big squidgy ball, but obviously with the coated canvas, like you just couldn't really do that. And that actually really pushed me to buy this over anything else because it's not squidgy, it's not going to wear and tear over time like another bag would. So I'm just going to open that up. So it's a little bit hard to get in and out, but it does open like that. You can just get your stuff in and out. Inside we've got a little pocket and the label there, which says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy, and the collection that it's from. So I'm just putting this on and I just love it. In the pictures online, the guy kind of had it like slung back like that, and I just love it. One thing to keep in mind is that it obviously is hard, so when it's next to you, like it's probably not as comfortable as one of the squidgy bags, and obviously you've got to remember your arm is there, so you either really have it in front or behind. So before I show you what I can fit inside, I'm going to show you another little item that I picked up today, and this is a pocket organizer, something also that I was looking for a really long time, but I wanted something special. I just didn't want the plain same old monogram, and they pulled through. This is from the same collection, and here it is. So this is the portrait pocket organizer. I have put all my cards in and stuff already. So at the back we've got a pocket where I've got my driver's license in, and then inside I've got my American Express slide in here, my other cards here, some cash at the back, and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, and the collection that it's from. And it's just so gorgeous. I wasn't sure in it at the time, like when I was in there, and the guy was like, Obviously this is like the entry level product, and is gonna go quite quickly. So I thought, you know what, if I don't want it, I can return it. But now I've got it home and I'm looking at it, it's just so gorgeous. Look, I look at it with my other Louis Vuitton accessories, and like, just how cute does this all look? Like, this is just exactly what I wanted. This is all just giving me the vibes of when I used to watch Louis Vuitton like unboxing videos and stuff on YouTube when I was like 14, and think, oh, I wish I had bags like that and the little cute accessories to go in it. And now here I am filming a YouTube video, putting my cute Louis Vuitton accessories in my cute Louis Vuitton bag. So I feel like that's just quite cool. So for size reference, you can fit a lot in here. You can fit earphones. Also got my Kindle and iPad mini here, and these do fit right in. They fit perfectly. And you can just fit a lot in here. You can fit a lot in here. You could probably fit a water bottle in here. It's just a really nice size. I feel like a lot of my bags, like I've got the soft mini trunk, and that is like really small. You can fit your wallet, keys, earphones, maybe like a portable charger, but that's about it. This, like, I could fit everything I want in this. So guys, that is my unboxing and initial review of the Louis Vuitton Blown Up Keepall 25. I'm in love with this, and I'm the only one that got it from the stores in the UK. So I'm sure they will get some more stock in eventually, but I'm pretty happy that I got the only one. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a like, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Sam Scott Bills for more fashion content, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.